What happened? What did you feel?
Well, I am in Philadelphia, which is quite a ways from Virginia, but we really did feel it. I was sitting here on my sofa. It's just like around 2 o'clock in the afternoon here, and I was talking to my son in Oregon, and all of a sudden my sofa began to tilt, and I couldn't figure out what was going on. So I ran to the door. I live in a condominium, opened the door, and my neighbors were gathering outside, and somebody said, "It's an earthquake." So I just quickly hung up, and we went down the stairs. We didn't take the elevator, and we exited, and we stood outside. But everybody was talking about the fact that their ceiling lights were shaking, and pictures were tilting on the wall. And it was quite a while before I was even able to get any cell phone service. But right now, everything is quiet. We're back up in my apartment, and things seem to have settled down, but it's very, very frightening.
India, I'm hoping you can give us perspective. You've been in Philadelphia how many years? Long time, right?
80
years. What have you ever experienced anything like this?
Well, there was one, I think it was back in the 70s when Michael was a little boy. And we did have one. It happened at nighttime, and but that was the only other thing. Usually, we don't have things like that happen here on the East Coast. It's very unusual.
Well, we're glad you're doing safe, or you're doing well now, and that you are safe. We, of course, will keep our viewers posted. Thank you so much.